Hey guys, DeathGirl77 here, and today I've got another pepperoni, and I decided other than to just eat it.
I can't get out the door. Oh!
By the way, that is my friend Alex.
Alex.
And then that's my sister.
I have a pool in my house.
Anyway, I'm gonna eat this. My sister's got some water.
Oh, I did cannibal.
So, here we go. Good luck, Harrison.
Why do I keep getting text messages? Okay, my mum put.
Okay.
Harrison. Wait, I'll give your mum my mum's number.
Okay.
Wait, what's your mum called?
Cara.
Cara. Do you want my mum's number? She just texted me it. Give it to you.
Got this much left, guys. Sorry about background noise. My friend Alex is playing GTA. It's hot. Oh wow. Oh wow. Oh.
My mum asked me to go out and if he wants to come over right now and have dinner.
Oh God. Oh God. Oh God.
What's my guy wearing?
I don't know.
Can I change my guys?
Yeah, just go. So guys, it's the end of this video.
Oh, Harrison. How do I change my guy? Oh, breathe, no.
Oh God.
Settings.
So guys, it's the end of this video. Peace out.
Can I go online?